The Chart Nerd TA video. Today I'm going to be diving into Everdome. I'm looking at Everdome here on the daily time frame, and I'm basically going to take off from where I left off last time on the last update I did for Everdome. So, we was looking at this. I think we was watching a double bottom pattern play out here, wasn't we? And I said it was an Adam and Eve bottom where you had this Adam pattern, this Eve right here, okay, and you had a breakout target of from there to there, I do believe, where we broke out, and you can see that Dome basically came up and met its technical target. So right now, from this point here, okay, the technical target was at 0.03, okay, and from that point you're retracing now, and we're looking to find support within the breakout of this pattern. So for me, I mean, I was looking at something else earlier for Everdome, right? Okay, so bear with me on this as well. So I was looking at some sort of I think it was something like this. It's called a broadening bottom, I do believe. Right, yeah, a broadening bottom. So you can see here, okay, that's an ascending wedge. So broadening bottom, you can see that you come down in this correction, okay, you find support, and then you start to expand in this sort of ascending resistance and descending support, okay, and you start to have these waves within this pattern, and you find a support, and you eventually break out. Once you get above and close above this resistance line, okay, then you get your confirmation. So if we look back at Dome, you can see that it looks relatively similar to something that we're doing now here for Dome, okay, where you've got this expanding broadening bottom, you've got the A, the B, the C, the D. Right now you're looking for the E, the F, the G would be the pullback to support, okay, and then you get your confirmation of the breakout of this resistance wherever it may be down the line. So this is a big potential here, and I do think Dome could literally have an A, B, C correction back down to fall on this ascending level of support here, okay, and we could be coming back down to retest this. It would look really negative, really negative, but you can see that the bottoms are the bottom is looking very similar to this pattern, and as I said, it's got an A wave up, a B wave down, a C wave up, a D wave down, E, F, and then you get your G wave breakout, okay. So going back to Dome, you got your A wave down, your B wave up, your C wave down, your D wave up. You could have your E wave down, your F up, your confirmation of support on the G, and get your breakout, okay. So for me, what that would look like, I think we would need Dome to come up and re-tackle this swing high here, okay, because in that sort of sense, Dome would be breaking out. And I was saying about this Elliott wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 series as well, theory as well. We got wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, but that's invalidated now because we've come down and we've closed below the wave 1 high, okay. We closed down here, so you can't wave 4 on the retracement basically can't close below wave 1 for confirmation of Elliott wave. So for me, this does look like it's still a potential bottom, okay, and it's very similar to this broadening bottom here, and we're basically just coiling up in that sort of pattern. And I do believe if we look for the retracement here as well, okay, so we're going to go from this high on the daily time frame, we're retracing back down to this low, okay, and you can see that right now Dome is basically been sitting on the 0618. It bounced back up to the 382, and right now it's looking to come back down and retest the 0618 here at 0.00195. If we start to lose this close and this 0618 fib here, okay, within this retracement, what I think, as I said, is happening is you've got this A wave down, this B wave high, and right now you're going to get a C leg down, a push down somewhere. Ideally, it would be nice to find, get a push wick down, but to get a close on the daily above the 786, because this was previously resistance, okay, where you came down like that and you broke out. So you had this resistance right here that since you've broke out of in the daily, you haven't actually come back and back tested. So potentially we could be coming down to around 0.00173, okay, and that would be an ABC wave correction in for Dome. And just to make that again a bit clearer, so you have this A wave down to the 0618, you've had this push up to the 382, been rejected currently. If we start to lose the 0618 here and close below these two candles, for me you're looking to push to the 786 at a minimum, finding support right here at 0.00173, and if you was to lose that and get a wick down, essentially you could find a support back on this previous support line, this ascending level of support here that Dome is in this broadening bottom channel, okay, where you could come down potentially like that, start to push back up, come back for support, and then get your breakout. Okay, and all within doing so, you are still moving in bullish structure. So for me, and you'd come up and you can see here, you'd have potentially test this 55 if it starts to get dragged up with the EMAs here. So for me, you know, it's still not bearish until you come down and lose this one fib here at 0.00149. And obviously, if you close out of this ascending level of support, that will be the minimum target that you're going to be looking to retrace to. If we lose this one fib here, okay guys, it gets very negative. If we start doing something like this, where you come down between the EMAs and you start to lose this one fib, hitting your head on it as resistance, for me the minimum target is down here at 0.00123. Okay, so what we're looking for in the near future, as I said, is to hold this ascending level of support, potentially come back in some ABC wave to the 786 and get a close above that 786 level at 0.00173, and at which point we're looking to get our continuation and to come back up and retest this zero fib here that we attacked a few days ago. So for me, guys, that's a quick update on Everdome. I hope you enjoyed today's content, and yeah, until next time, from Chart Nerd TA, we'll take a look at Everdome again soon. Peace out. Take care, guys.